In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link and connect Zoom to Pipedrive CRM. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have Zoom fully connected so that your meeting links can be created and managed automatically inside your Pipedrive account, saving you time and keeping everything in one place. First, make sure you're logged into your Pipedrive account in your browser. Once you're on your main Pipedrive dashboard, look toward the top of the screen for the Marketplace icon. It usually looks like a small storefront or shop symbol. Go ahead and click that icon. This will open the Pipedrive Marketplace, which is where you connect different apps and integrations to your CRM. When the Marketplace opens, you'll see a search bar near the top. Click into the search bar and type the word Zoom. After a moment, you should see Zoom appear in the list of results. Select the Zoom app from that list to open its detail page. On the Zoom integration page, you'll see information about what the app does and how it connects with Pipedrive. When you're ready to move forward, look for the button that says Authorize and click it. You'll likely be taken through a short confirmation flow, so when you see the option, click Next to continue. Pipedrive will now ask for permission to connect your account with Zoom. This is what allows the two platforms to talk to each other and create automated meeting links. To confirm that you're okay with this, click Allow and Install. This step is important because without granting these permissions, the integration won't work properly. After clicking Allow and Install, a new pop-up window will appear, prompting you to log in to your Zoom account. If you don't see the window, check if your browser is blocking pop-ups and enable them temporarily. In that pop-up, enter your usual Zoom login details and sign in. If your Zoom account uses single sign-on or another login method, just follow the normal process you use to access Zoom. Once you successfully sign in, Zoom will finish authorizing the connection in the background. You can then close the pop-up window if it doesn't close automatically. At this point, Pipedrive and Zoom are linked, and you're ready to start using automated Zoom meeting links directly from within your Pipedrive CRM whenever you schedule calls or meetings.